Hey, what's up, fishing fools? All right. Got some news here. Right now, I'm gonna insert what footage I got from the collaboration with the Gulf Coast Boys, which is only like 3 minutes, which kind of sucks. So, right now, I'm gonna roll that. Alright guys, I hope y'all enjoyed that little video. Shout out to the Gulf Coast Boys doing our collab today. Their video for this day is going to be linked in below. And there goes the boat right there. I gotta get to the house and clean it, but I'll catch you guys in the next episode of Fat Man's Fishing. That's what I got from the Gulf Coast Boys, 2 minutes. But right now, got the chesty on, and I'm gonna go bass fishing. I had it all recorded on my GoPro, but I bought a brand new SD card. And again, with the luck of the SD cards, they're not compatible with the GoPro Hero 3s and the GoPro Quick Key. So that's that situation. But now I'm headed to Shy Pond to go see if I can catch me a big old 4-pounder. A 4-pounder's key today. That's what I want. Yeah, excuse the hair. It's a mess. But get you when we get to the pond. Here we go, guys. This is why his name's Bassmaster Steven.
About to swing him your way.
Oh, here we go. Oh, a tiny little guy.
Yeah, that's a little one.
Hey, that's why we call him Bassmaster Steven. How many people can say they catch as many bass as him at a Shy Pond? Not very many. Dude, this jig does not want to go in the water.
That wind's starting to lay down a little bit too. They need that wind back.
Oh! Missed him. I don't know if that was you though, now that I think about it.
I don't think it was. I didn't feel it.
I mean, he still might be there.
there's my wins. There we go. Dude, I caught a half pounder.
What, half pounder?
Yeah, I threw it out there next to that stick. Yeah. I mean, it was on the bottom.
There you go, bud.
He came off. You got a bass.
Yeah, the lure. Was that the lure I gave you?
You gave him a lure.
I gave him a bag of lures that I didn't think I was going to use.
Yeah, dude, that felt like a
Bring it over here, bud. I just hooked these kids up with some lures. Was that your first cast?
Yeah, I just threw it in. It was just like about 10 seconds.
There we go. Heck yeah. What's your names?
My name is Eric. His name is JJ.
JJ. Sweet, I just gave him these little lures right here. First cast, caught a bass. Sweet. There you go, guys.
We're gonna put it.
I just missed one over here.
We're gonna put it, Eric. No.
Keep catching them, guys. You go. Alright guys, here we go. Midday, like mid-evening update. I had missed one good one on the jig. Actually, I think two. Steven stuck one. I gave these little kids some little storm lures that I never really mess with. Never mess with these storm lures. Sure enough, dude comes over here, little dude comes over here with that milk jug, matter of fact, that jug, with the milk jug and a fishing string. It snags a 2-pounder, bigger than I've caught all day. Bigger than I've caught out here in a while, so. A little salty about it, a little salty. But we're on our way to making moves to the next side of the pond. We'll see what happens.
I stuck a little bitty one in there.
I got a hit on it I wasn't expecting because I was sitting here kind of.
I want him to do that. Look at that.
Ooh, where do you think you're going, buddy?
Just fast enough to pull him up.
Hey, come here.
That's all the bass have been today. They haven't been very big. They're hitting on the bottom. Huh?
Got one.
Sucks for me.
Oh no! Oh yeah! Oh!
That'll happen.
Yes! Oh no! Oh yeah! Oh!
That'll happen.
Yes! Please tell me you got that on video.
I got it right here. I don't know if I got it at.
Oh, that was awesome! Yes! Just off the bank.
Alright, Fisher Fools. As I'm laying down doing this edit, I just realized I didn't put an intro. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to go watch the Gulf Coast Boy video and check out their channel, link down below. And I did have more footage from when we went fishing with the Gulf Coast Boys, but my SD card that I purchased like the day before was corrupted for some reason, and I couldn't get any of my footage off. So I had to just insert what I had, and that's all I had to film, and I had no extra footage from that day. That's really all I had, so it kind of sucks. I caught a few little fish that day. It wasn't no like amazing catches, but then y'all seen when I went fishing, what was that, Monday? Yeah, Monday I went fishing with my friend Steven. That was that's why I call him Bassmaster Steven. He's my friend. He's an amazing fisherman in Shy Pond. For some reason, I can connect on Shy Pond, but he somehow just finds the fish and knows where they are. He's been fishing that pond for years with this kid, so yeah. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll catch you guys hopefully soon, but on the next episode of Fat Man's Fishing.